Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video we will learn the plural forms of nouns in Russian. You are ready? Let's start. If a noun ends with a consonant, to make it plural we add "ı" in the ending. If a noun ends with the letter A, then we replace A with "ı".
Телевизор, телевизоры.
Here it ends with a consonant, so we add "ı" in the end.
Стол, столы. Страна, страны.
It ends with the letter A, so we replaced A with "ı".
Комната, комнаты.
If a noun ends with
Я и краткая, мягкий знак.
to make it plural, we replace them with "и".
Эмоция, эмоции. Семья, семьи. Музей, музеи. Герой, герои. Тетрадь, тетради. Ночь, ночи.
If a noun ends with O, we replace it with "a".
Письмо, письма. Яйцо, яйца.
Nouns ending with "ye" becomes plural when we change it with "ya".
Здание, здания. Море, моря. Г, К, Х, Ч, Ж, Ш, Щ.
As you know, when a word ends with a consonant, we add "ı" to make it plural. These 7 letters are consonants too, but when one of them is the last letter of the word, to make it plural, we add "i" instead of "ı" to the end of the word.
Карандаш, карандаши. Враг, враги. Ручка, ручки.
Here, be careful. When a word ends with "a", to make it plural, we replace it with "ı". But here, when "a" falls, there stands "k" at the end, and it is one of those 7 letters which we just mentioned. So, because of that, we replace "a" with "i".
Книга, книги.
And of course, there are some exceptions. Some words ending with consonants becomes plural with the ending "a" or "ya".
Глаз, глаза. Город, города. Дом, дома. Брат, братья.
Some words change without any rule. You just need to memorize them.
Друг, друзья. Чудо, чудеса. Ухо, уши. Мать, матери. Дочь, дочери.
Those are some exceptional ones in plural form. It is not possible to write them all in here, but I will drop a detailed PDF about the exceptions down below. And that's all for today's video. Do not forget to click the like button and make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. See you in the next video.